Jake with J29. We got Nikki here. She's also
Hello.
with J29. Say hello again.
Hello.
So we just got done with the Bacchus Ball.
Yes.
Did you have a good time?
It was fun. Yeah. The food was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was that your favorite? What was your favorite part?
I think just having fun with friends, taking pictures. Yeah.
Yeah, they had a really good photo booth.
Yeah.
So we wanted to take some time. We absolutely love supporting the Bacchus. We had a great time here. I think the biggest thing with the Bacchus Ball that we kind of realized was sharing and giving. And we want to take some time to talk about giving in our industry. We give a lot, whether that's through our services, whether that's through our time. So Nikki, I kind of want to get your perspective on sharing. What do you think the benefit of sharing is in today's industry?
Sharing, I think it's really good to do things, marketing through sharing, because that way you're not pushing your message on people. So if you share, then they learn something, they get value out of it, and you're not just pushing a product or a service on them. So I think they appreciate that.
I agree. Nikki's really good. Nikki's our head content writer, and she's great at sharing stories, sharing experiences through our clients' eyes, through their perspective, and giving. So what we did with Bacchus, we were able to give and donate our time to do their promotion video. We had a blast working with them, working with the dance crew, working with everybody that was a part of it. So it was amazing. So the main message is, I think in today's world, especially in business, I really feel like it's important to share.
Yeah.
It's important to give.
Yep.
Give whatever you can. Give your time, give your experience. What do you think is different about today's kind of social media environment as far as giving is concerned with the past? I feel like old school business is very, what's my ROI?
Yeah.
What's in it for me?
I think now what it's turning into is, instead of, like we were talking about with products, instead of just sticking a product up there, you tell a story.
Yep.
And you tell people how it benefits them, or what's the value, or even like the emotions. You give them a little bit of the emotion behind it, through the stories and stuff like that. And so much better than just sticking a picture of your product up there and saying, buy this. You tug at their heartstrings a little bit maybe, and you tell them a story, or get a little bit emotional about it. And so that's sharing that way is so much better.
I agree. I think
it's easier.
I agree. I think it's all kind of like a rising tide raises all ships. Mm-hmm. Hey, if we're a giving personality, our company's giving.
Yep. Comes across.
Exactly. It'll come across, and it'll come and pay back in full. So
yep.
On that note, guys, we'll end this little short Share Wednesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a blast at the Bacchus Ball. Thanks a lot to Bacchus. Amazing organization, guys.
All the money went to the Dream Factory,
yes.
right? 100%.
100% Dream Factory. They're amazing. They have events throughout the year. They're basically party for a purpose is their message. So they had amazing events, amazing experiences. So on that note, Nikki, I want to share some flowers.
Thank you.
You're welcome, from the Bacchus Ball. So guys, we'll see you next week. Take care and share.
Bye.
Fly away, fly away, fly away with me. It's time to fly away.